Welcome to your step-by-step guide to your successful Supa-Wide installation every time. Firstly, you should always keep the sheets dry and out of contact with the ground. Make use of a 3-4-5 triangle to ensure that the sheets are installed square to the eave. With the use of a measuring tape, ensure there is a consistent overhang at the eave. Use a marker to mark the sheet edge on the lowest and highest purlin. Make a small visible mark on top of the sheet where it must line up to the underlining purlins. Install a builder's line along the marks that was just made on the purlin to show the square line to the eave. Line the first sheet up to the builder's line and use the marks on the sheet to square it up to the eave, ensuring a consistent overhang. Use a fixed star 12 by 65 mm metal fixed head class 3 fastener when fastening into steel, and a fixed star 12 by 85 mm timber fixed head class 3 fastener when fastening into timber. Pay special attention to the fixing sequence illustrated. Lay the next sheet by overlapping the ribs. Once the sheet is in place, repeat the fastening process carefully, fixing only the ribs of the sheet. On the opposite slope of the roof, lay the first sheet square to the eave. Install fixed stud fasteners as illustrated previously and repeat the process of installation along the roof slope. Align the barge flashing on the side of the roof over the sheeting. With a fixed stud 14 by 22 mm metal fixed stitching fastener, fasten the flashing on the sheet below at evenly spaced intervals not exceeding 500 mm. Align the ridged flashing and serrated metal closures to the top of the roof. Making use of the same stitching fastener, fasten the flashing to the sheet below at evenly spaced intervals not exceeding 500 mm. Thank you for joining us and happy roofing.